Hi, today I'm for anything XIAOMI 13 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So let's first just find the scanner application. Also, we can use it just from the control panel. We should find here somewhere the scanner icon. If you don't see this icon, click to this edit icon and you'll see here the scanner. Just click to edit on the on this panel. Click to done, and just by tap on the scanner icon or just by open the scanner application, we should now place our QR code here into this frame. Let's just do this. So this is the result, and we can click here, go to website. Okay, no thanks. So we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.